Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. I have not recorded a vlog in so long, I don't even know how to do it anymore, but it's time to dust off the vlogging shoes. Anywho, I'm going on a camping trip this weekend, on a moto camping trip, and this is all the stuff that I'm bringing with me. And by no means is this a review of all the items. That's going to be a separate video. The purpose of this video is to show you how I pack it all into 2 Kriega bags. And these are the 2 Kriega bags. And first and foremost, before I get into it, the only way to go camping properly is with this Ducati Camping Club shirt, which you can get from ducknyc.com. And look, you even get cool little Ducati NYC label and whatever. So let's get started. So the 2 bags that I'm using are Kriega US30 and Kriega US20, and everything you see will fit in here. First things first, I take my what do you call bag? I'm looking at my stupid phone and somebody is messaging me. All right, let's see. Let's move everything to the side so that way we can be a little bit more organized, because right now it's a mess. And what I do is I pack big and somewhat light items at the bottom and then other items at the top. So this video is a complete mess, but I make videos from the heart. Okay, so this is and I do plan on doing a review of all the items very shortly because I do it every year. And this is my new tent, Mystique backpacking tent, and I haven't even used it yet, but it's small, it's light, it's much smaller than my previous tent. And a lot of people, when they watch this video, the first comment is like, yo, how you gonna show us the tent but not unfold it? Well, if you want to see this tent unfolded and blah blah blah, you can Google it. I'm gonna put this tent in the description below. But anyway, tent. First item goes into the Kriega bag. And before, I would always attach the tent to the outside of the bag, but not anymore. I'm gonna see if I can get away with putting the tent inside. So, tent goes inside the Kriega. The next big item is, of course, my sleeping bag. I don't even know the brand of this sleeping bag and it's irrelevant, but it works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter, and yeah, there's a compression sack for the bag. So boom, this bag is gonna be way too warm for this trip, but what are you gonna do? You know, what are you gonna freaking do? So automatically right away I could see that there is perfect room for my camping chair on top of the tent. So that's what we're gonna do. Boom. And look, this right away gives my bag nice shape and nice structure, which is what you want because we're gonna be stacking the bag on top of each other. And yeah. Next is my sleeping pad, little blow up mattress. Very, very fun. So I'm gonna put it down here in the bag. The following item is my tarp for the tent, and also for other things. We also put it in here. Let's see what else we got. This is a pillow, tiny little pillow, beautiful. I'm actually have not used this pillow yet out in the wild, so this will be a nice experiment. Boom, pillow in here. Now we get to figure things out. So this is an extra plastic bag. I always bring an extra plastic bag or 2 with me. So this goes in here in the pocket. That's fine. So let's see what else we got here. We got the camping stove, and this is the Überleben camping stove. It's pretty cool. I'll have to show you another time what it is. And this is the grate for that stove. See what I mean? But it's a sneak peek because this is not a review. This is a quick overview. So now we take both of these items and we put them in here. See, this bag is filling up nicely, but actually we're not gonna put them in there just yet. Okay, so another item that I'm bringing is this bug spray and some wet ones for the wiping, if you know what I mean. And this is my toiletry kit that I'm bringing. I got toilet paper, I got my inhaler, I got my allergy pills and other pills. I got some toothpaste. Speaking of which, toothpaste. I need toothpaste. There we go. Full-size toothpaste, because I'm gonna brush my teeth like 32 times. I am so incredibly clean, and I'm all about hygiene. It's ridiculous. So now this is my little mess kit, but I know for a fact that this is dead, but it's not dead just yet. So I think I'm gonna bring it with me, which is kind of silly, but I am going to bring my Jetboil. I kind of want to actually leave this one behind. Actually, no, I'll bring it. I'll bring both. Why not? Oh my God, it's so incredibly hot right now. You guys have no idea. New York City is experiencing a heat wave, and sweet bananas of Lucifer. It is fucking hot. So this is my coffee maker thing. So I kind of put it in there. Bum bum. And these are my tools. So whatever. So this is my bicycle tool. I just slide it in here. That's fine. This is my little fork, spork situation. Also good. Put it in here. So this is my other bag. And my other bag, that's where I'm gonna put the clothes, I believe. So this bag will strap on top. So here we go. So in here we put my little foot for the motor bicycle. Boom. And then some fuses. Boom. My beer cozy. Create to destroy. If you don't know create to destroy, then you're not old school. So let's see what else we got. So as far as the top area, let me just organize all these things. I feel like I'm all over the place. My hatchet. The hatchet always goes in the bottom bag because it is big and it is somewhat heavy. And I usually slide it in there, just like so. Actually, we're gonna put it down the middle this time. Oh boy. Why am I bringing so much shit? I have no idea. camping fucking like an animal. All right, anyway, so we got this thing, and this will go, let's see, this right here will go at the top, so this will go in here, just like so. This bottom bag is getting pretty filled out already, so not too much more is gonna go in there. Then we got this cloth for wiping the bike, very important, that goes on the top. This is our USB cable, incredibly important, and this goes in this bag here in the top. So this is the clothing. Clothing is relatively light. Well, actually not really light, but I will indeed separate it out and put it in the top bag, just like so. Because in the top bag there won't be too much stuff. Top bag will also have my rain gear, because I might need to get to it. Beautiful thing. Top bag also has my toolkit and my pump for the flats, for the inevitable flat that you'll get when you don't expect it. Okay, so then we got my toiletry kit. My toiletry will 100% go in this bag, but I usually put it in last, just like so. Then we got our headlamp, also put it in the top bag, not a problem, just like so. Now let's figure it out. This right here, earplugs, that's not even going anywhere because that's going into my head. So this we got is the cooking setup, which will go at the top here, just like that. Beautiful. Then this is a work light. I'm not even sure if I really need it. I kind of wanted to bring it to flash a little light. We'll see. My flashlight that I used to have died because I forgot the batteries in there, inside of it. So that's a shame. Anyway, let's see what we got here. There we go. Obviously, I could strap the tent to the outside, and then it's gonna be like, you know, like a breeze. But I'm trying to get the tent on the inside. But there we go. There we go. It's actually not so bad. It's actually not so bad. Boom. So what else can we put in here? We can also put the other Jetboil in here. There we go. Because at this point, yeah, it's still rollable. It's still okay. It's a pretty big bag, if you ask me. So we're probably not gonna put too much more in the bottom one. There we go. So just like that for now. And now we got our frying pan. We got our light. I got my bushcraft knife that my buddy made me. Look at this Ducati NYC. Look at that. Fuck yeah. Beautiful thing. I always bring it, and I actually just wear it on my hip. You know, like a hipster. Get it? This right here is, so yeah, might as well put the other bag up here. So now we're finishing touches. The battery pack, very important. You're definitely gonna want it, because without it, you might find yourself without any power. You don't want that. So this light right here, I'll take it as well, put it up here. And now, finishing touches. I'm actually gonna pull this out and put this inside my toiletry bag. Beautiful. My tripod goes in here, just like so. Then we're gonna put in the knife, bam bam. Then we're gonna have our frying pan, just like that. Beautiful. And the final touch is the toiletry kit, which we put in just like so. Now we're gonna zip up this bag. Also, in the interest of time, you can obviously tell I fucking rushed to pack this up, because obviously all of this can be packed up much neater and much nicer, but this is how it's gonna be at the campsite when you're hungover and you're just packing super quick. So boom. And now we take the other bag, we roll it up just like so. We take the strap, clip it, strap it, tighten it just like so, and just like so. Ooh, oh, come on baby, come on baby, yes. There we go. And now we tighten, now we zip this up, and we are done. So long story short, there we go. That is your camp out. And I used to use these rock straps for my tent, and I still might, because look, right now this is looking a little tight. However, strap this to the bike and you're good to go. Ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching how I camp and how I pack up. And obviously I could go down to the bike right now and strap this to the bike. This one goes down first, obviously, you know, blah blah blah. But it's fucking hot, and I'm sitting here in the AC, loving life. And I'm not gonna go down there right now. And even though this was a little bit of a rush job and it's not the most perfect pack, because I could definitely pack this nicer, nothing will get damaged, everything will be fine. And you might ask yourself, so how do you bring food and beer and other stuff? Very simple. After I get to the campsite and I set up site, I usually do a beer run. I usually get on my bike and drive out to the store, even if it's like half hour away, whatever. leave all my shit behind. I trust the universe, the mother nature. I go out, I get some beer, I get some steak, some sausages, some breakfast stuff, and then I just get some water, and then I ride back to the site. I empty out the bags, you know, and take one of these, and this fits plenty. And then we always stay by rivers. Like when I go camping, it's a requirement for me to stay by a river. I must. That way you can keep everything cold, you know? You literally would take a bag, we put it inside the river and keep everything cold. That's how I do it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this helps somewhat to someone. And yes, I know I didn't really review any items, and yes, I know I didn't really show anything, but that's how it does. Thank you for watching.